I came to Italy by land some years ago, and my auntie single-handedly sponsored me. Before leaving Nigeria, my mom, who is my auntie, gave me a waist bead. She told me that she had fortified it. Nothing is going to happen to me on my trip. That when I get to Italy, I should make sure that I remove the bead. Immediately I step foot into the country, I should remove the bead on my waist, put it on the floor of the country, step on it, and pray for myself. Now, I'm not going to bore you all with everything that happened during my road trip, but it was hell. As a lady, it was difficult. Inside about 6 ladies, it was only 3 of us that made it alive till the end. So I always believed that the waist bead my auntie gave me protected me. Now, when I got to Italy, things were going good for me. I met a white guy I was dating there. At a point, I started staying with him, so I was not paying rent, electricity. I was earning money, but I cannot account for all the money I was earning. I was working and staying in Italy for a good 5 years. I still was not able to afford a single land in Nigeria. As at the time I came abroad, buying a property in my place is not more than 200,000 naira for a plot of land. I could not afford to buy one. Not like I didn't have the money, but my life was not put together. After about 6 years in Italy, I finally got my paper through the help of that my boyfriend. Our relationship only lasted about 3 years, but he made sure he helped me. After I got my papers, I couldn't wait. I wanted to come to Nigeria so bad. So I told my mom that I was coming to Nigeria. She said okay. So I got to Nigeria. I stayed for about 2 months. But one day we went to a market. We wanted to buy a lot of meat and stuff, goat meat and all of that. So I met my mother's friend in the market. Me and my sister went. So she saw me. When did you come back? You know, she drew me aside. One side, she was talking to me. How is everything over there? She asked me, are you still in Italy? I said yes. She said, my daughter, try me, you come up for Italy. I said, mommy, why? She said nothing, but try me, you come up for that country. Just go another place. Abi, you like the place? You never tire you. Come up for Italy. Now, my mama just tell me, I tell you that was the language she used on me. So I said, okay, no problem. I just thanked her and I left. She asked me to give her my number. She said she does not want my Nigerian number. She wants my international number. So I gave it to her. So we got home. After my stay in Nigeria, I came back successfully. So this woman started calling me. My daughter, that thing when I tell you, don't take it lightly. Pray about it. It's a very serious matter. Like, mommy, what are you talking about? You want me to leave this country to go to another country? All of them is abroad. She said, don't worry, pray about it. So one day I was talking to my mom and I told her, I said, this is what your friend said. She screamed on top of her voice. That woman is not my friend. She's a I want you to block her. Don't you ever call her. Don't you ever speak to her. I was like, mommy, are you not friends again? She said, they are not friends that I should block her. So for the next 2 months, whenever this woman called me, I was ignoring her call. I didn't block her, but I was ignoring her. So one day she tried calling me with a different number and I picked up the phone. She was like, my daughter, I know you are avoiding me because your mother called me. I want to explain something to you. I know your mother told you not to ever talk to me again. I don't want money from you. I just want your life to be better. She told me that she was not going to call me again. That was the last call, but I should just make sure I find out everything for myself. There's something hindering me, but I should make sure I pray about it. So I started thinking, when I came to Nigeria, all my brothers and sisters that are in Nigeria are doing better than me that have been in Italy for how many years? I'm earning money in a higher currency. Yet they have houses, they have cars. Me abroad cannot buy one land of how much? I started thinking. So I called my mom one day. I told her that's what I'm thinking about. So these people are doing well in Nigeria. May I come back to Nigeria? My mom said, God forbid, I should throw away the spirit I used and say that why will I come to Nigeria? Is it because this and that one? She convinced me that it's just what is in my head. Since that woman told me that she was not going to call me again and she didn't call, my mind did not rest. I will call her, she will not pick my call. I was like, what is going on? So I started listening to Papa Oyedepo online all the time, every Sunday, spring. So I decided to come to Nigeria without telling anybody to attend Shiloh that particular year. So December came, I went straight to Shiloh ground. I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know what I was praying against. I just knew that I was struck. So on the second day of Shiloh, I wanted to go and buy food. And one man stopped me and he called me aside. He said, please, can I talk to you? I thought he wanted to beg me for money and all of that. And then he took me to one side. Before he said anything, he started praying. He held my hand and he was praying. He was speaking in tongues. I feel it that this man was, there's this sensation that comes with praying. After he prayed for me, he asked me, do you live abroad? I said yes. He said anyway, that he has a revelation for me. He needs to pray about it and be sure that tomorrow I should call him, we'll meet, and then he will tell me everything that he saw. Winners, they don't do revelation and all of that. He was a pastor in another ministry that also came to Shiloh, for prayers and to tap from the grace of the altar. So the next day, he told me that I have an enemy in my family, that they gave me something that has been with me for years. He said that thing was used in exchange for my destiny. The same way my parents' destiny was exchanged. I was surprised. He said my parents died mysteriously. Their destiny was used and my destiny is being used. If I don't take matters into my own hands, I will die mysteriously. I was scared. Who is the enemy within? What is that thing that they gave? So after Shiloh, I went back to Italy straight. I wanted to go and visit my people. I said no. I went back to Italy. So after I got back, I tried calling this pastor and then I asked him, sir, I don't know who this enemy is. I've been praying. He told me to search myself. That anything that anybody has given to me, I should make sure I destroy it. That location I am, I should leave that place. And then everything started coming together. My mom's best friend told me to leave Italy and go to another country. This pastor is telling me the same thing. So I decided to just take it. Just to travel, not to even relocate. Just to travel to the UK. So now I was trying to pack my things for my travel. I just started to rearrange my my house and I saw the bead that my mom gave to me when I was traveling, because she told me after prayer I should keep it somewhere safe. I started thinking, is this what everybody is talking about? So I called that pastor. I called him over 20 times. I made sure he picked. Immediately he picked the call. I told him, said, this is the bead that my mom gave to me. I explained everything she told me. He told me that I should go and get a plate. I should put the bead inside and burn it. That I should stay on the call. So he was praying and speaking in tongues. So I just put fire on the bead and I burnt it. Immediately I burnt it. We were still talking with this pastor. My mom was calling me. And I told him, I said, my mom was calling me. He said I should not pick her call. I should not pick her call. That I should leave that place where I didn't pick that call. After burning the bead, I packed my bags. My flight was for the next day. I couldn't sleep throughout that night. Immediately I got to London to the hotel. I called the pastor and I told him this is where I was. He told me that if anybody should call me, I'm free to pick my call. So I called my mom and she was shouting, where have you been? I've been trying to call you. Where are you? She said I'm lying. That she's seen me. I'm not in it. Whatever I know, I should go back. Do you want to kill me? Go back to where you are. Go back. I was just shouting. I just ended the call. It didn't take 24 hours after that call. My mom died. It was when my mom died. My mom's best friend called and asked me a simple question. She said, my daughter, you don't come up for it? I say yes. I say I just travel. He said, see that country where you travel, go where make die your mama die, so remain there. She told me not to cry. I should not waste one single tears crying for that woman. I should not ever in my life say I'm coming to Nigeria to come and bury her, that I should not try. I said, God, what kind of problem is this? I needed to know how my mom's best friend knew about it. So I called her back after 2 days. And then she told me that they also saw a revelation for her concerning my mom, because it was my mom that gave her poison to match in her leg that has been paining her for years. The reason why I'm here is because my sisters and my brothers want me back as one of their family. It's been almost 10 years this thing happened now, and I've stayed away from them for 10 years. I have not visited them. I don't even call them. It was after my mom died that I got married. I don't have children now, to the glory of God. But I don't want to believe that they didn't know what their mom was doing. And I don't want to open myself back to them. I don't want to make another mistake. I can forgive them and not go close to them. My husband is saying I should forgive them. I should even visit them in Nigeria and come and see them. Please, I don't want to do that. I continue staying in my lane or bring them back to my life. Honestly, I'm scared.